Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting video that is on how to do auto proofing in MS Excel. So before moving to this video, I would request everyone to check out our playlist. You will find approximately 250 plus videos that will help you in cracking interviews related to team leader, quality analyst, trainers, SME, MS Excel reports, dashboards which are used in call center and project management, Six Sigma. Many more videos are there that will surely help you in cracking the interviews. Do check out guys, and don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Let's move to the today's concept, that is on how to do auto proofing in the MS Excel. I'll give you an example here. You can see here I'm typing SBI. If I type, automatically I got State Bank of India. You can see here, right? Automatically. Now how this happens, let's learn. So what you have to do, you have to go to click on file. You can see here in the bottom last here you can see an option called option. Make sense? Here in the left side you can see option called proofing, and here you can see an option called autocorrect option. So you can add multiple autocorrect like abbreviations and whatever you require, you can add it here, and automatically this will get corrected in your cells. I'll give you one more example. Let's go with PM, which stands for Prime Minister. Prime Minister and Minister, right? Click on add. Okay, let's see. PM. Oh my god, yes, we can see here we got Prime Minister automatically. If I add SBI, yeah, we got the answer here. So guys, in this way you can do the auto proofing, and you can add many more abbreviations and everything which you required, and you can use it. So still have any doubt, please let me know. I will definitely help you in comment section. Just check out, and also let me know if you required video on any of the other topic, any concept which you guys are missing out, and any questions, answers you required, let me know. Don't miss to subscribe the channel. Have a great day.